right developer, the right team. Okay. So in crypto, the most important thing is not only the it's not only the project itself, the program. Okay? The main important thing is the community and the developer. If the program is good, the community and developer is not good, it's also going to fail. Okay? So the most important thing is the community and the developer. Me, as a head of the community, I have gathered team maybe until now around 53,000 in Indonesia and all over the world. Indonesia is the biggest, Philippines the second, the third should be China, the fourth coming is Japan. Japan is under Southeast Asia. Okay. I've been working this project around 13 months since phase 1. So now we are arriving on phase 3 already. So what I'm going to say is this chance, this opportunity might be a life-changing opportunity if you guys can work hard here. Yeah? Nothing is easy. I come here not promising you only buy the token, sit down and you become millionaire. It's hard. It's hard. You really need to spread. You really need to work hard. Like what I do. I go around all around the world just to educate people about this token. Why I need to educate? Because now you see, Bitcoin, we missed the chance already. Now Bitcoin is around $103,000 per token, which 13 years ago is zero. The price is zero. But now, to buy one Bitcoin, we need to pay $130,000. You see how expensive one token is. BNB before is 0.15 USD per token. Today, $990 per token. Ethereum, 0.65 per token. Now, $4,000 something per token. Okay? They take times. Bitcoin takes 13 years, BNB takes maybe around 8-9 years, Ethereum takes about 9-10 years. So in NSGP, we also have that chance. If you guys believe and work hard with me. Okay? Just like what I say, we are not investment company. I don't come here to ask you guys put money in company and company giving you back the interest, not like that. When we are trusting the company is like what I do lah. I come to the company, I see the project good, I see the developer good, I buy their token. Yeah. When I put my money to them, that means I'm buying the token because I believe one day the first time I buy is 0.1 NSG. Okay, one day I believe this can go to up $1, $10, $15, I don't know. That depends on how the community grow. Okay, so same like DCF, they are starting 0.01. Why they are starting DCF? Because NSG will list soon. We will list in the market this month around 26 November to 30 November. So you guys can see that our token has been listed in one of the top 8 exchangers in the world. Okay, it's not a small exchanger, it's not a scam exchanger, it's top 8. So you guys can be assured that we are on the right track already. So I hope in this time we can work together. Okay. Why Bitcoin can be successful, BNB can be successful, or Ethereum can be successful? Because the community work together. They're not only buying and sell, but they spread the news. Until today, I think you guys see in all over the news, all over the online news, offline news, media, Telegram, WhatsApp, everyone speaking about Bitcoin. Right? Everyone still say that Bitcoin is going to be 1 million, 2 million, 10 million per token. That's how we spread. I want you guys also to do that. Because this token cannot be successful if we only buy, sit, and don't do anything. Yeah. It's just like me. The first time I come, NSGP, the second phase, the first person that buy this token is me. I pay $100,000 to buy the token. I get 2 million token next time. If I only sit down, I don't share anything, I only buy, say maybe now there's no NSCP. There's no DCF. But because I spread to my team, 14 people, now for 14 people growing to 60,000. Yeah. So, in Danau, Bukitnon especially, I hope you guys can be pioneer. Yeah, you guys can be pioneer. So we help each other. I help you guys to market all around the world. You guys help the Mindanao Bukitnon team to grow even stronger. I heard from Noel that Mindanao team around 700 now. Yeah. You guys just started maybe July, yeah, just 3-4 months, you guys can grow to 700. Charles and the team first believed me in February, February, and because he believed me now, they are growing in Philippines around 7,000 people already, and spread to Japan also. Yeah, so I believe you guys really can learn. Okay, really can learn. I don't want you guys just putting money without understanding what you guys put. Because it can make your life hard. Even when you want to ask your friend, your family, or whoever, don't give them a misunderstanding about this project. Okay? You guys need to explain slowly that this is the token you buy. This might change your future one day. We push this token together, okay? It is the better way. Don't ask them to, hey, you come in here every month, you get 5%, 10%, 20%, then it's mistake already. Okay? So we need to understand that education is really important to build a team. Yeah? I want your team to grow to 1,000, maybe a lot of people here in Bukitnon, but I want them to know this is a crypto. I don't want when one day I come, your team is like maybe 10,000, 20,000, but when I talk to them, they don't know this is crypto, they know this is investment, and we are there already. Okay? So please keep learning. There is Charles here. I will also, in 2026, I will keep coming back to Philippines, Bukitnon, maybe some other area to educate. Okay? So I really hope that let's work together. Maybe in 2-3 years, or maybe maximum 4 or 5 years, we can be Yaman already. Okay? That is from me. Okay. There is a new program called, like I said, DCF. Okay. So you guys need to learn. The first phase is the hardest phase, which I do. It's gaming that time. So I need to buy chicken, buy rice, buy everything, feed the chicken come out egg, I need to sell the egg, it's hard, okay? First phase, I finished maybe around 2-3 months. But if you find a team that need a daily income, weekly income, monthly income, then introduce them this year. Okay, so you just separate what kind of team, what kind of person that you are going to introduce. If they are long-term investment, NSCP is okay. Okay, even investor you can introduce. You hold this NFT, buy this NSCP for a long term, and you can also go into DCF for daily, monthly, weekly. It's easy, yeah, because the token can be transferred to a card that you can use daily. Even if in here, this cafe receive Visa Master, one day I will show you guys how. I pay with my DCF. Okay? But if a builder, they have to be in NSCP. For me, that's the best idea. Because NSCP produce faster token and much more token. And we can supply the token to DCF, or we can even give to exchange. Okay, so this month there will be great news, because end of the month you can see our token list in NSCP already. That can be a selling point to whoever you want to introduce. that this token after launch until maybe around 9 months, we send them to one of the biggest exchanges in the world already. So it can be, okay? Congratulations to all of us. Yeah. So now we are starting the first phase. You guys know how to do it already because you guys can prove that you guys can spread NSGP. I think DCF will be easier for you guys. Okay? Because a lot of people like daily income. A lot of people like weekly income. Yeah? To go to supermarket, anything, KW. Okay? So I believe 2026 economy will grow very fast.
Yes.
My brother Noel. Okay? Any questions, guys, before me and Charles and William go to toilet and go to airport? Yeah,
just for clarification, you cannot buy the DCF without NSGP.
Yes. There's one more point that I forget to say. DCF only you can buy the package when you find NSGP member. Okay? Because we need the NSG to convert it to WNSG and you can join. So whoever have NSG here, NSG token here, whoever start NSGP, congratulations, you guys have the token already. Okay? Any questions before we go? Whatever question to make you guys easy in the market. You can ask me anything. Huh? Maxi,
And
Open Google, then type coinmarketcap.com, and you can type the exchange. It will show. Maxi is number 8 in the world.
So MAXC will announce us by
Yes.
November 23 or 26, right?
Yes, correct.
26 days now.
Exchange.
So, ibig sabihin, na mainstream.
Okay.
Kasi easy to be listed
Okay.
not so popular. But our token become mainstream
Confirm this one.
because of the number.
But the date is between 26 to 13th of November. So
The
3 or 4 days, yeah. 3 or 4 days before listing, the exchange will announce, we will also announce. Yeah, but the exchange will announce first that NSG will be listed on Maxi, date, time, everything. Yeah. Okay? So it's easy. And don't forget, if you guys started NSGP already, when you guys want to send to exchange to sell, there will be there will be a cliff period, there will be a vesting period. Okay? Cliff period, vesting period is the time when we let this token to grow up in the exchange. So nobody can dump the token. So you guys need to follow whatever the regulation that the company gives. Because that means if the regulation is really long, then because I believe I work hard, I turn $1,000 become $30 million in 2.5 years. Yeah, $1,000 to $30 million in 2.5 years. I think that will only happen in crypto. Yeah, if we work with people, we open a business, I think it's very possible. Okay? So this is our chance. Yeah. Like I said in the first time, what we do is we just need to manage how we play our token. Okay? But my best advice for you guys, NSGP member, buy 10,000, you get 30,000. If what's 10,000, 10,000 you send to exchange, 10,000 send to DCF, over more money in DCF. That's how you play. That's what I do. Okay? So while we waiting the token to be matured, we don't only wait. We still get income from DCF. Okay? That is my last advice for you guys. Thank you.
Okay? Noel will handle. Don't worry, the CEO is not fake. Most of our fake CEO in the video, rented office in Australia or Vietnam, it's not like that. No? So,
And also he's rich already before his marriage. He has a lot of restaurants, he has a club, I think Charles went to the club already, right? Yeah, Cloud9. So he's a businessman, guys. only why he want to reach this project because his basic of education is IT. Yeah, so our CEO is an IT guy. He see opportunity in this period. There may be a bull run coming, so they meet me. I have the community, so we push this project.
Okay? So nothing is fast, ha? Nothing is fast in this world. We were able to build this 11 months and finally listed. So not no longer difficult for you because you have the proof of work. We have a very good case study already, NSG and Analysis. Remember, we need DCF and other ecosystem to put more value. If it's a baby, you need more. Like any company, if you IPO, and then you're limited to one product, sometimes the market is not going to be confident with that company kasi walang room for growth. So like San Miguel, San Miguel, San Pesa Negra, it's the same. So we are putting up more valuation. The only way for us to do that, introduce many ecosystems. And lastly, I think Joe, the KPay is company owned. So KPay is like the GCash. We're very proud to announce. Already have a license of Indonesia payment gateway and crypto license. This is owned by NSDP. So you will see how professionally managed. They did not buy planes, yachts, cars. They did not bring us to treat us to Europe. No, nothing like that. They buy companies that related to the growth of the business, so the valuation will be better.
Yes.
KPay is like GCash of Indonesia. So sakto, Joe has 50,000. I think he required all members to use KPay. We bought it 60%. And another is 10% share of the Filipino company, Tawi-Tawi Exchange. Wow.
So for the Tawi-Tawi, I hope, because we are waiting them to get a regulated license in Philippines. So actually, if they get it first, maybe we will receive Tawi-Tawi first. But they still waiting, probably January or February. So why this token is in MXC first? Because we cannot wait on the wait time. So we will list on MXC first. And also, like Charles said, this company is really a professional company managed by a professional team. You know, they don't spend money like yachts, whatever things Charles said. Even the trips, all the trip is funded by leaders, funded by me, funded by Charles, funded by everything. So we really work together to build this community healthy. Okay? So you guys also need to understand why Charles and Joe funded this. If this company don't have money, no. They use their money in the correct place. Okay? We earn money, so we can fund, we can support all our community. We give back. We give back to community. Okay? When you buy the tokens, you can help you visit the office, make you see the CEO, to see to believe, right? So that's why I do. Okay?
Yes.
Any question?
Paano daw ang kitaan sa, paano daw kitaan sir sa DCF? For example, if I buy 1,000 USDT or 1,000 US dollars, what is the gain?
If you buy $1,000, you need to go 0.8% to 1% of token, not token. When you can swap to USDT instantly, swappable, 0.8. Pero compounding. So let's say if you join before 15, on the 16 you're gonna earn the rewards already in token. Then 16.8, 17.81, hanggang mag 1%.
Okay.
Fixed at 1%. However, if you decide to swap or withdraw on the 31st day, you're gonna go back to 0.8%.
It was the same with the NSG before.
And then, if you buy on December 1, 0.8 ka or 0.7. Because this is a super promo. First, company will only offer this one time with the lifetime of the project.
So the super note is usually given by the
Early believer.
Early believer.
Super.
Early believer.
10 of us.
Kung order sa tangulang ng una ng si mama to una ni magkuhan ni
DCF po.
DCF ginagawa.
Ano ka na sa NSGP?
Lang sa NSDP.